So everyone asking for, so how my website will be going to top? How to my website will be going to top? Top ranking for pages are top 10 ranking. So first of all, I'm selecting for incognito window. I'm searching right now. So we can select any kind of things. Instance, companies in Madhapur. Instance, companies in Madhapur. I'm looking for instance companies in where location by Madhapur. So first of all, I can see this one. My searching keyword is matching or not in title. This is meant by SEO title. SEO title writing for two methods as a total sentence formation or each keyword we can separate by the pipe symbol. Instance company, pipe, instance agent, pipe, writing for. So we're looking for instance company or agent. People searching for so many. In a one title, they're promoting for multiple keyword also. Instance companies, agent, or broker in Hyderabad. Okay, how many keywords are there in one title? Three keywords. Instance company, instance agent, instance broker. Is it clear? It all depend on your based on your promotions. I can promote only one keyword. Instance companies in Madhapur. One sentence formation is a title. Or else in one title you can promoting three keywords. Instance company, pipe, agent pipe, broker. How many keywords are there total? Three keywords. Instance companies, instance agent, instance broker. So, so once you can go for this one, based on your page requirement. Suppose my page is only showing for companies, as the company is a one title, is a one sentence formation. What are you writing for here? Digital is showing for top 100 instance companies Madhapur. Only they show information about the sentence formation. Which sentence? Top 100 instance companies in Madhapur. What I'm searching here? Instance companies in Madhapur. They're matching in my title and they're matching for your description. What are the keyword you search? They compulsory match on your title or description. Both matchings also will be important. Now coming to your instance companies in Madhapur. Instance companies in Madhapur. Each and check the each and every title. Company in Madhapur. So what the company is, what are the relevant name? Companies and company, agencies and the services. They all will be selecting for relevant keyword also. Searching and understanding for relevant keywords also. Suppose searching for Telugu film information news. They're showing for Tollywood information news also. Why? Telugu and Tollywood is a relevant keywords. Clear? Any search we can understanding based on your search keyword and relevant keywords also. Now, instance company jobs in Madhapur. Why they matching for instance company and Madhapur? And property near national instance company here. Where you can matching for Madhapur in description. So clear? What are the writing for title and description is a compulsory. Your keyword will matching for title and description also. Title will be showing for 60 up to be writing for 70. You're writing for more than 70. You ask him one question, what happened? Nothing happened. They call showing for error. After we can exceed by 70 characters, they're showing for dot dot dot. Still characters are is there. They're showing for option dot dot dot. So anything is a perfect here. Religion, general incidents. Where location for Madhapur, where company is matching. So that is called what are the writing for title description, compulsory matching for title and description also. So that is a very important writing the title and description rules. Suppose in a one page you promoting multiple keyword using the pipe symbol. I'm not promoting multiple keyword. I'm promoting only for one keyword. Is a sentence formation. Is it clear? This compulsory keep it on your mind. If you're promoting is a one keyword, is a sentence formation. If promoting for multiple option is called pipe symbol you can use. So the option will be given by where? In a particular writing title, description, and keywords. So that is mean by they give this information. Is a title, primary keyword, secondary keyword, and ternary keyword. Keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3. For example will be online movies, free online movies, watch online movies. What is the common keyword? Online movies. Suppose I'm promoting for only one. Saira movie reviews latest. Is only one sentence formation. Else Saira Telugu movie review. Is the only one sentence formation. I'm not writing any kind of extra word. Suppose you're promoting for two keywords. Saira movie review pipe trailer. Saira movie review pipe trailer. Two keywords. Saira movie trailer and Saira movie trailers. Is clear? Any writing for title description will be two formation. One is a pipe, second will be sentence formation. So yeah. And what are the title you mentioned by your title? Same keyword matching for your description of the compulsory. The primary keyword compulsory matching for title and description also. So clear? So this is the way writing for title and description for your particular websites. We are writing for multiple keyword. Each type will different by the pipe symbol. So we are only for one keyword promoting. That is all will be sentence formation. Is clear? So this is writing for title description for a particular website. So how will be writing for static and dynamic? We discuss about the tomorrow class. Each title will be have two options: sentence formation, and you can promoting multiple keyword. Use the pipe symbol. Description compulsory matching for whatever writing title, same matching for your description part. So this is writing for title, description, and keywords.